I am baking gingerbread cookies that stay soft right after baking and disappear from the Christmas plate before the kettle boils. In a pot on low heat, I melt butter, honey, and sugar, stirring all the time. Stay with me to the end. I will show you an easy way to decorate the cookies without stress. I stir until everything is well combined and shiny, but I do not let it boil. When the mixture is smooth, I take the pot off the heat and let it cool. In a bowl, I sift the flour and cocoa powder. I add baking soda, gingerbread spice, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, and mix everything very well. In a moment, we will bring everything together into a dough that keeps its shape and does not turn into rock-hard cookies. Into the cooled honey mixture, I add 1 egg and mix until it is fully combined. I pour the wet ingredients into the dry ones and start kneading until the dough is smooth and soft under my hands. If you enjoy baking Christmas cookies, subscribe so it is easier to come back for more cozy recipes. I wrap the finished dough in plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for about 1 to 1.5 hours. I cut the cold dough in half, keep one part for rolling, and put the other half back into the fridge. I place the dough between sheets of baking paper and roll it out to about 1/2 centimeter thick, a little under 1/4 of an inch. With cookie cutters, I cut out different shapes: stars, hearts, and snowflakes. I preheat the oven to about 355 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius, and chill the cut cookies again so they hold their shape. I place the cookies on a baking tray and bake them at the same temperature for about 10 minutes. The gingerbread cookies are ready, still soft and tender. Stay with me a moment and I will show you a quick icing for decorating. For a simple icing, I mix about 75 grams of powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. The icing should be thick, but still pourable, so it keeps the shape of the lines on the cookies. I pour the icing into a piping bag, cut a tiny tip, and decorate the cookies however my Christmas imagination tells me. And they are ready, soft spiced gingerbread cookies you can serve right away, or pack as little homemade gifts. Thank you for baking with me today. If you enjoy simple holiday baking, please subscribe and come back for more home-style recipes.